Hi class, I am so glad you're joining me for our little measurement fun. We're going to have just a little bit of fun together. You'll need your hand, you'll need, well, both of your hands and your extra hand, and you're going to need this page and this page. We're going to start first with our seeds, so you'll need your seeds. I'm just going to put a few seeds on my paper and write my name, and please don't eat these seeds. They are seeds that you can eat, but let's not eat them. So throw them away. When you are all done with them, go ahead and throw them away. So you can measure with just about anything. You can measure with paper clips. So we could measure how tall this farmer is just using paper clips, and we'd use paper clips all the way up. And how many paper clips tall is he? You could measure using pennies. You could measure using crayons. You could measure using just about anything. We're going to measure doing a seed measurement. We're going to measure how many seeds, sunflower seeds tall, these different things are. Well, let's start with a smaller one. You're going to start at the end of the arrow, just like we did with our measuring on our other things last week, and try to line it up pretty good. Looks like these line up just about right. So how many seeds is the sun across? 1, 2, 3. 3 seeds. So go ahead and write your 3 on the line. Okay, let's measure the sunflower plant. That's this tall one right here. And we're going to line up at the bottom. Go ahead and just put your seeds in a row. If I'm going faster than you, just go ahead and pause the video so that we can do this together. There we go. Looks like that's pretty close. If I do another one, it's going to go way off the end. Seeds are not exactly the same length. So this comes pretty close. So let's count how many seeds tall. And if you have a different answer just by 1 seed on either side, that's okay, because seeds come, they're different sizes. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 seeds tall. If you got 7 seeds, because your seeds are a different height than mine, that's okay. You can put 7 down. Okay, let's do this shovel. We're going to come close. There's 1, 2, 3. Huh, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like our shovel is 4 seeds long. Okay, now we've got our super tall farmer here. So this will take a little more work. Let's go ahead and line him up here. Okay. There we go. There we go. Doing good. Keep lining up. If I'm going faster than you, go ahead and pause it. It's okay. You catch up and line up your seeds. My seeds, I think I'll line them up just a little bit better here. That's pretty close. That's pretty good. There's a little tiny bit on the top showing, but that's okay. If I do one more, it's going to be too long. So now I'm going to go ahead and count how many seeds I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like this farmer is 10 seeds tall. If you got just, if you got 11 seeds, that's fine. Likely you won't get 9 seeds because they're not quite that big. But anyway, very good. Okay, so we did our seed measurement. That's how you measure with using a non-traditional method to measure, and that's using, you can use any object to do that. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to measure. It's called the horse way. So when you measure a horse, you measure from this part of the horse, it's called her withers, all the way down to her feet. And you can they did it measuring all the way up to the head. In horsey world, you wouldn't measure all the way up to the head like this. They have the picture going that high. You would measure to right here. And that would tell you how tall that horse is. So for instance, one of my horses is 15.3 hands tall. That means she's 15 of these hands stacked hand to hand to hand, and then just 0.3 would be kind of up to here. So if I put this into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, she would be just part of a hand. So not quite 16 hands, but 15 and 3 parts of the hand. So not quite high. My other horse is 15 hands, 15.3 hands. So 15 hands stacked all in a row like this, stack, 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 but only one part, just a little teeny extra part of the hand. Well, we get to go around and we get to measure. You're going to measure a door, the top of a table. You're going to measure a chair from the back of the chair to the floor. You get to measure a person. So any person, you can put their name. You can have, so this is a floor tile. So any tile that you have, and if you don't have floor tile, look for a wall tile like in the bathroom. And then you're going to measure the inside of a window. So I'm going to take you with me now, and we're going to go and we are going to measure some of these different things. So I'm going to take you with me. Let's go get the iPad. And I've got my hand. Your screen just went black, but that's okay. You can still hear me. I promise we're not in the dark. Okay. Oops, I got stuck. You can't tell, but I got stuck on the crayon box. Okay, here I am. Hi. Okay, I'm going to pick you up, and I'm going to take you with me. And look, there's my hand. That's what you need. Okay, let's pick you up. Hi. I'll be very careful, I promise. We'll see. Hopefully I don't trip on the microphone. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn you. Let's see, will it let me turn you around? I don't know if it's going to let me turn you around. Okay, interesting. It's always an adventure. Let's see. Whoops, I'm probably making you sick. All right. I've never tried to do this before. So let's get the tripod. We'll put the tripod down here. And we're going to move you around. You getting sick yet? Hi, here I am. Okay. And then we need you to be to where you can see me. So I'm going to lower down the tripod. Okay. So let's make you lower. There's 1 leg, 2 legs, 3 legs. Here you go. Coming down. Woo, like a periscope. Okay, let's see. Is that low enough? Not quite. Let's lower you 1 more. I'm still here. Hi. Okay, we're lowering you 1 more because I want you to be able to see this. This will help you understand kind of how to measure in the hand method. And if you were here in the classroom, you would be right here with me, and so you know, a little bit easier. Okay, I'm gonna perfect. There we go. All right, so here I am. Hi, class. Okay, so whoops, my head is cut off though. Okay, so here I'm gonna lift you up so you can actually see my head. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so we have our table here, and that's one of the things that we need to measure. So this is the table, and you can measure any table. So your table is going to be different than my table. I'm measuring one of our classroom tables. So what you do, you can either have your hand be this direction, or you can have your hand be this direction. However, it's going to be hard to do it this direction starting at the bottom. So let's start here. I'm going to put my finger where the top of the hand is. There's 1. Then move my finger up, keeping it right there. There's 2. Move my hand up. Go to the top. That's 3. Then I'm going to flip it over. Kind of like 3.5 hands. Can you see that? It's really dark under there. So I'm going to do it now to the top of the table and go down and show you. So let's start down here. So we've got 1. Flipped it over. 2. 3. I think it's 3 and like a quarter or so. It's 3 1/4 type hands. So I'm going to put 3 hands. We'll just go ahead and round. So our table is 3 hands tall. So if you notice, I put on there 3 hands tall. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to go walk over, and let's go ahead and do the inside of one of our doors. So I'm going to take you with me again. We'll turn on a light. I bet that'll be better for you. Oh, you can see me when I come up close, can you? Okay. Oops. Hold on, let me fix our tripod. It's going crazy. Okay, there's one, there's two. Hold on. Right, there I am. This one you're getting seasick on. You're going to be like, wow, Mrs. Duffield, what are you doing to us? Okay, let's go turn a light on. Bringing you with me. The baby goslings are over here. Oh, I'm going to get stuck on somebody's chair with my microphone. Hold on. If I trip and fall, that would make this very interesting, wouldn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, so we'll turn. Ouch! I got shocked. Okay, we got our lights on. Here's our little goslings. They're sitting back here. Say hi. Hi, little goslings. Mm-hmm. Look, they're saying hi. They actually heard me, so they're saying hi. Oh, we were going to do a door. So let's see here. I'm going to put you right here. And we're going to do, I want to make sure you can see me. I'll walk over here. Okay, so we're going to measure the inside of this door. Okay, so that's from this part to this part. And we're doing it the horse way, remember? So we're using our hand. Okay, so we're going to start on one end. Okay, there's one hand. You put it at the end. 2 hands. 3 hands. 4 hands. 5 hands. Woo, perfect. 6 hands. Did you see how I did that? I used the hands all the way across, and the measurement from here to here is a complete hand. A complete hand. You can give yourself a hand. Okay, so, whoops, what did we say? Did we say 6 hands? I'm talking too much and I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 hands. That's awesome. Okay, I'm going to come get you again. Hello. Okay, so that's how we do measuring the horse way on the hands. And I'm so excited to have done this video with you. I want you to go find all the other things that you have to measure. And then you're going to fill out your paper measuring all the different things using your hand. Okay, so find a buddy. You can do it with your mom. You can do it with a sibling. You can do it with whoever you would like, but I'd like you to go do it. Have lots and lots of fun. And I will see you at carpet time. Have fun measuring the horse way. I miss you guys. I wish you guys were here in the classroom with me, but this is Mrs. Duffield saying, have fun and measure, measure, measure fun. Measure fun, measure well. I'll see you guys later. Bye.